Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you how to build a vertical two-way flying machine. Let's get started. First, place down your obsidian block, then build 4 blocks up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you place an observer facing like this, then a piston. Make sure they're facing the right way. This red dot is facing upwards. If they're not facing the right way, then it won't work. So please make sure they're facing the right way. Then you place another piston. Then you place a regular piston facing this way. Gotta make sure the piston is facing the right way. Then place an observer. Make sure the red dot is also facing up. Then a sticky piston. Then you place 4 slime blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you can put an observer. Then you place a piston. So remember, make sure the red dot is timed. It has to face down. So then place a piston. And place another observer facing down. And then a sticky piston. Oh, and I forgot to tell you, you don't have to use slime. You can also use slime or honey. With any flying machine, you can use slime or honey. Doesn't matter which one, it's just your choice, okay? Your choice. But I'm just sticking to slime. I'm not using honey. So now once you built this, place obsidian the height where you want it to stop. So I want it to stop there. So I'll place it there. And get out of here. So, and to start it, you update this observer, and then it'll fly up. You update this observer, and then it'll fly down. Thanks for watching. Bye!